Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make this hearty chili mac. As always, the exact measurements are listed in the description box below. To my large pot, I'm adding 1 pound of ground beef. I'm just going to break it up with my spoon before I add my other ingredients. To that, I'm adding some chopped white onion and some chopped garlic. I'm going to stir that around to mix everything together, and I'm letting that cook for 10 minutes on medium to medium high heat. I just want my meat to get brown and my onions to be translucent. Maybe it's the Belizean gal in me because I feel like every time I cook I have to brown my meat. Who knows, maybe it's just me. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you're like that. If you feel like you have to brown your meat every time you cook. I always like to go back in between and stir it some more just to break up the meat and make sure everything is mixed in. I used to think that I don't like chili or I don't like anything with chili powder in it because I just don't like that flavor. But that's not true. After I started making my own, I realized I do like it. There's something about the ones you buy in a can or anything that you buy and you just have to heat it up. It has this aftertaste that I just don't like. Making your own just tastes so much cleaner and so much better. Anyway, after I got my meat nice and brown, I'm going to take some oil out of the pot. And this oil is from the meat. I didn't put any to start with. So here's a little tip for you. What you'll want to do is tilt your pot to one side and try to get all the oil to come down to that one side. And then take a paper towel and sop up the oil. That way you don't have to take the meat out of your pot. Depending on the meat you buy, you'll want to do that 1 to 2 times. Okay, now I'm ready to add my other ingredients. To my pot, I'm adding 2 cups of water, 1 can of diced tomatoes. I'm adding 1 can of dark red kidney beans, and I'm using the low sodium one. I'm adding some chili powder, cumin, black pepper, oregano, salt, and 1 packet of beef bouillon powder, or you can use just a beef bouillon cube. Oh gosh, I almost forgot. And you need some tomato paste. Stir that really well, then add your pasta to the pot. Now I'm going to add my elbow macaroni to the pot. I'm going to stir that one more time and bring it to a boil. And then I'm lowering the heat to medium and I'm going to let this cook for 10 minutes. This is what it looks like 10 minutes later. It still looks like it has a lot of water in the pot, but it will thicken up as it sits. I don't want to overcook my pasta, so I'm going to remove it from the heat, but I'll come back and show you what it looks like in another 5 minutes, just so you can see how it thickens up. Oh my gosh, this looks so good, if I do say so myself. My hubby was a happy man. This is one of his favorite meals. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.